Welcome, boys, to e-learning. Our topic for today is compound interest. Before we go ahead with compound interest, let us revise what you all studied last year, that is interest or simple interest. What is interest? Interest is the charge for borrowing money from the bank or money lenders, or it is the money that we get when we put our savings in the bank. In short, it is the addition money we pay to the bank or money lender, or the additional money we get when we put our money in the bank. Let's recall the formula for interest. It is I is equal to P multiplied by N multiplied by R upon 100. I is the interest. That is the extra money paid or earned. P is the principal. That is the sum of money deposited or borrowed. And N is the period. That is the number of years we borrow the money for. And R is the rate of interest that the bank or the money lender charges us. We will just solve an example. It reads, Ram takes a loan of rupees 10,000 from a bank at the rate of 10% per annum. PCPA means percent per annum for 2 years. How much interest has he to pay? Now let's write the data down. P is the principal, which is rupees 10,000. R is the rate of interest, which is 10 PCPA. N is the period, which is 2 years. Now to find out the interest, the formula is I is equal to P multiplied by N multiplied by R upon 100. Substituting P, which is 10,000, multiplied by N, which is 2, multiplied by R, which is 10, upon 100. We solve it. This 0 and this 0 cuts. This 0 and this 0 cuts. Now, 1000 multiplied by 2 is 2000. 2000 multiplied by 1 is 2000. So, the interest is rupees 2000. So, Ram has to pay the bank interest of rupees 2000. Now, what is the total amount that he has to pay the bank? The total amount that he has to pay the bank will be the money which he borrowed that is 10,000 plus 2,000, and that is equal to rupees 12,000. Coming to the topic of today, compound interest, which means interest on interest. Because when we deal with compound interest, the principal always increases. The money what we get, that is the increased money, is always faster, because in compound interest the interest is added to the principal, whereas in simple interest the principal remains the same. Compound interest is the amount minus the principal. What is the formula to calculate compound interest? A is equal to P multiplied by 1 plus R upon 100, the whole raised to the power of n. A is the amount. P is the principal. R is the rate of interest. And n is the period, that is the number of years. We will now solve practice set 14.1. The first sum, find the amount and compound interest on a principal of rupees 2,000 for 2 years at the rate of 5% per annum. The formula for finding out compound interest is A is equal to P into 1 plus R upon 100, the whole raised to the power of n. Now substituting the values, you have A is equal to 2,000 into 1 plus 5 upon 100, the whole raised to the power of 2. Now solving this, we put the denominator for 1 as 1. Let's solve this. So that is equal to 2,000 multiplied by, we have to cross multiply because you have to equalize the denominators. You get 100 plus 5. 100 into 1 is 100. 1 into 5 is 5 upon 1 into 100 is 100. The whole raised to the power of 2. So that is equal to 2,000 into 105 upon 100. That's raised to the power of 2. That's why we are putting it twice. So you have 2,000 into 100 upon 105 upon 100 into 105 upon 100. Because this is 2, we have put it twice. Now let's cancel the zeros. So you have 1, 2, 3. So you cancel the 0. 1, 2, 3. Now when we multiply these numbers, that is 2 multiplied by 105 into 105, we get it equal to 22050. That's I'm talking about the amount upon 10. So when you cancel this 0 and this 0, you get the amount equal to 2205. Now we have to find out the compound interest. Compound interest is equal to the amount, that is 2205, minus the principal, which is 2000, and that is equal to rupees 205.